going on, guys? Right now we're on our way to PFI. We got the transmission put in the van yesterday and we're taking it over right now. I really shouldn't be driving it since, as you guys saw, the plates are expired, but I did just want to drive it real quick. I probably won't drive it too much until we get some new plates put on it. But, oh, what? Damn. We just got passed by a Ranger. But, yeah, we're on our way to PFI right now. I got Jamie's parachute in here, so I'm gonna give that back to him. I also brought the K24 block for the MR2. I need to bring it back to get it O-rings because I want to get started on the MR2 pretty soon. And then we also got to pick up some bearings for the SR20 from Brent. So we're on our way right now. I would do a pull for you guys in the minivan, but we ripped like one of the plugs going to the coolant sensor or something. For some reason it has a check engine light for coolant temp sensor. It says engine coolant temperature, high circuit input. Usually that means it's just not even plugged in, but I don't know. We ripped the plug, so I'm sure that's what it is, or else we can do a pull. But right now, if I get into boost, it just cuts out like that. So gotta get that fixed. And then we'll do some pulls later. This plug back here.
Okay, so this is your coolant temperature sensor.
That black one back here?
This one right here, yep, that one needs plugged in.
Okay, and then
and this is
one.
the gauge.
Okay, that makes sense now.
Yep.
So yeah, the gauge, because the gauge was working, but it has a check engine code. Cause,
it's got the check engine.
Well, because when we were taking the tranny off, we accidentally ripped the plug. It's just two wires somewhere. It's right here.
Yep, that's it.
Do you have any like harnesses?
Oh, you know I do. Yeah, we got that.
It won't. It just hits boost cut.
Oh yeah.
Because of the
it
check
doesn't know the
engine
temperature.
Light. Yeah.
Man, she looks like she put in some work.
It's so dirty, man.
I know. We need to clean it out.
First rule of Fight Club: we don't talk about Fight Club. We don't talk about how dirty things are.
Oh yeah, did you see the back of it? You see that?
That's awesome.
That they sent us.
That's so cool. Why don't we get Shane out here to lift it? He's way stronger than us.
I got it. I need to work out, bro.
Yeah, dude, those little pencil sticks are gonna break. 1,000.
Yo.
2 1,000.
You're like, now if I set it down somewhere, it's gonna make it dirty before you wouldn't even be able to tell.
It's all good, right there.
You should just put it inside there.
Here you go, Jamie.
K24 swap is neon.
Alright, so our plans for this are we need to get pistons, rods, and stuff, or what are we thinking?
And I want to get the O-rings done.
Okay, so we need to do the O-rings first?
Because you think I should do that, right?
It's not.
Might as well.
Yeah.
So the gasket clamps better. Crack kills.
Hey. You can give that back to Shane. Oh, it's hanging on Shane's box.
Sean's a dick.
It was hanging out.
Probably just turbo tufts and whatever pistons.
Stuff that works.
Yeah, they need to get the MR2 going.
It's been too long.
Yeah, no, I've been slacking on it. Alright, so we're gonna get this fixed up real quick. Found this plug on one of the many harnesses Brent has. So we're just gonna crimp her on real quick, so hopefully we can make some boost on the way home. Well, she's good now, no more check engine light. It means she's ready to make some boost again.
I totally forgot how rowdy this thing was, man.
It's the rowdy, bro.
Oh my god.
Alright guys, so yesterday we went and got some bearings for the S14. We were just at PFI, but we're going right back. We're actually going to be bringing the hatch to finally get a roll cage put in this thing. So I've been waiting to do this for a long time, and we do have some stuff to do right now in the S14, but since Brent said that he can make some space for the hatch right now, I'm going to put my focus on that and try to get the cage done for the hatch, because that really needs to happen. And I've just been pushing it off for way too long. So we're gonna bring the hatch over to PFI, drop it off. We're probably not gonna get too much done on it today, if anything, but we are just gonna leave it there, and then over the next few days try to get the cage done, and I will try to film the process of getting all that done. But the hatch has been needing a roll cage for a very long time, so I'm glad we're finally gonna be doing it. Jeremy's gonna be following me in his Civic, and yeah, I guess we'll be on our way.
he told me you were coming.
You didn't tell me you had a party going on.
I didn't even know.
No one knew, dude.
No one knew. This just happened. Roman said, I want to come down Saturday. I was like, that'd be awesome.
yeah.
And Emilio said, hey, I want to come down Friday. I was like, how about Saturday? Roman's coming.
I'm like,
He's like,
cool.
all right, cool. And then it all.
No, we haven't seen Roman in a minute.
I know, it's been
And then Tom called and said, I'm going to be there Friday. I was like,
Yeah, that's Tom Young style right there,
so
bro.
long, Roman's
Get some
building a
of that.
domestic.
yeah, you remember the Tom Young corn? Oh, man.
Brought that 4Runner out, boy, tell you what. I'm gonna send it right off this thing. I'm gonna jump it right tonight.
You won't.
Bet.
After another water?
A water?
So we could have you start back here,
I take that as
and
disrespect.
you're gonna take off all the way down.
Challenge
And jump
accepted.
that right there.
Challenge accepted.
All right. Let's,
You guys got hook up
While
on
there's
some
light out.
coilovers after those motherfuckers are just blown out.
I mean, BC?
Hey! Hashtag BC. We have to throw that in
BC
there.
Racing?
what's up, dude? What are you eating over there in the corner?
I was eating the leftover of my hot dog.
He goes in the corner and just eats and comes out. Yeah. What's up, guys?
And what were you doing back there?
Easy.
Don't worry about it.
I'm a
Let's
little
just
worried
say
about
I'm
it.
relieved.
I was gonna shake your hand, but now I'm a little worried.
Here, you can shake this one.
I heard you're a lefty. You know one of those
Gotta be.
stranger dangers?
Gotta be.
You ever do that?
Little rub and tug back there. or
Yeah,
what?
you know, I almost had a threesome one time.
Oh, damn.
Two girls didn't show up though.
Is that world famous corn I've been hearing about?
Hey, brother. Yeah, you gotta get a picture of the pot over here.
No, don't give us our secrets.
Pot full of corn.
Go the other way. Reverse it. Reverse it. Reverse. Okay, go. Go backwards. Yeah.
We're going to drop in daily.
Hell yeah, that's boosted corn.
Hey man, you just bought it, dude. We got it. We got it. Dude. Oh, it's great when we come up.
What the hell?
Dude, is there no bolts?
It only has 2 bolts, he said.
That counts for 2 more.
There's a C-clamp holding his turbo on.
Did you not see our YouTube video of this car?
Come over here.
Check out how this.
Look how the turbo's attached.
Look at the clamp holding the turbo.
What the hell? That's it?
No, it has 2 bolts on the clamp.
Oh, 2 bolts. Okay.
That's a quick release turbo, right? You just undo this thing and that's it. Just like that. That's it.
Slow, so you can just take it off quicker.
Looks like you ain't going anywhere, bro.
I am here.
You're all blocked in.
I'm leaving, dude. I got work to do.
Oh, you're leaving.
Yeah.
You just.
I'm leaving. Bye.
You know I'm here, right?
Go get the EK done.
Yeah, I'm going to finish my race car build. My racer car.
That's sick, bro.
It's pretty freaking awesome, dude.
I heard that thing's gonna make like 7,000.
No, it's gonna make at least 300. That's for damn sure.
solid 300. You got that new clamp on the front turbo?
No, but I'm gonna upgrade. That's pretty good design.
That's great design.
Dude, I wish I would have thought of that. That's the best thing I've ever done.
You gonna tune this one, Jamie?
No, I'm just setting it up because Brent's yip yapping.
Oh.
Speeding up the process. Gotta get it rolling. Yeah. Just gotta get the process going.
Let's get it on. You want to place bets on it? I'll bet you right now.
I say the final number is gonna be
Sweater shape.
318.
Sweater shape.
318.
Sweater shape.
See what happens.
All right, but what?
Just made 289 and I guessed it. I don't know if we got it on video, but Emilio
No,
can
you
vouch.
did.
I guessed 289.
296. You said 289.
Ready?
And it's 289.01. All right, so 306.
306.
What's the bet?
I say 312.
312.
I say 318.
318.
318, final number.
All right, final number. Let's see.
No, I wasn't. I said 318.
318. What are we saying? 305 and whatever you said. I said 312.
If you add another 20,
I said 318.
oh shit.
330. He said no.
What happened to the 270?
Same thing. Oh yeah, but it's safer now. Yeah, that's what consistency. Yeah, it's cleaned up now.
I said 339.
Hell yeah.
I was so close.
Just a simple eBay turbo kit. That's all you need.
Playing quick disconnect turbo. That's what he needs.
It's only right.
He's sending
It's
it.
only right. There's 4 deep in there. Let's see what happens.
It's 4 deep.
Yeah, it's 4 deep. Kyle's taking all of them for a drive.
Kyle's new hatch, he painted it black.
Oh my god. That thing is fast.
I bet she's all happy, right?
Dude, that thing is really fast.
Out of everybody, one person loves it.
He's got so much manpower.
I was just a butt of the joke. I didn't know
Man, back in here.
All right, guys, it's time. Hatch gets caged.
Doing a cage.
Time.
Finally?
Monday.
Wow.
Monday?
Yeah, piano wire. Let's go.
Right now.
All right.
You gotta take
Don't sign me up.
I was going to tell him about it. I'm about to flip
I mean, I'll fucking take it out right now.
I was ready to go. Boy, tell you what. There we go. We got the main hoop. We're done.
It's already done.
You got the plates in there?
He already bent it and welded it.
We should be done in about 15 minutes.
Yep.
Brent just had this lying around.
I just had it.
Hey, you got the zip ties?
Now we make it the zip ties in the back seat. You already know it. In the glove box.
You gotta work this in there.
Oh, you gotta work it. It puts the lotion on its skin.
Watch the paint, bro. Come on, you're gonna scratch it. You're gonna scratch it.
Watch the faded paint. Jim Bim.
Watch the paint.
No, this is custom faded. I don't know.
Forward. You want me to open up the bath?
There it is. There he is. Yep, done. Weld it. Hurry up. Look straight.
Like a glove?
Like a glove.
It's done. Is that certified to go to the track just with one?
We're just zip ties. Let's do this Booster Boy style.
Get the JB weld.
He likes the safety wire.
I haven't seen JB Weld in
No, I've never used JB weld actually. It'd probably be like hot glue. Alright guys, so we got the hatch over at PFI. Hopefully in the next couple days we'll get this cage all knocked out. Brent's gonna help me get her done. It's been needing to happen for quite some time now. So, gonna finally get that done. We have some other plans for the car as well that you will probably find out about if that stuff gets done as well. Some drivetrain stuff as well, hopefully make her go faster. Maybe she'll make some more power. But yeah, we're not gonna give away too many secrets right now, but it is getting a cage, and I eventually probably wanna get some new seats as well. It just has like the factory GSR bucket seats in it right now. I think I'm gonna get rid of those, get some actual harnesses, and just make the hatch, you know, safe to drive. Yeah. Because we wanna go fast, and to do that, we have to stay safe about it, or else tracks won't let us ride.
we
And
kinda
all
come up in steps just like everyone else, and
everyone in the comments is like, "Yo, get a cage or you're gonna die." And they see that I have the stock seat belts.
It's time,
Yeah, it's time to get some upgrades on the hatch, guys. It's gonna be it for this video, though. We just kind of came over to PFI and hung out all day.
Yeah,
Didn't really expect it, but it was fun. It was a fun day
awesome.
for sure.
It's crazy.
But it's gonna be it for tonight, guys. Thanks for watching.